brief history of everything in AI. In the beginning there was nothing. Then all of a sudden there was a computer. And who invented this computer, you might ask? It was Alan. This guy, Alan Turing. They say he didn't even want to build a computer. Instead, he just wanted an AI. But in order to make an AI, a thinking machine, of course he had to build the darn thing. That's just a long-winded way of saying his original goal was to build an AI. And a necessary first step ended up being building the computer. Of course, he only got to build the computer and not the AI, because he was limited by the technology of his time. Aren't we all? And only after 80 years are we getting kind of close to achieving his original vision. Okay, let's work our way backward. The term that's all the rage right now, ChatGPT. But what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, a machine learning algorithm that produces text when given text. It's in the name really, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. But what's a transformer? A transformer is an architecture in deep learning, a way of setting up models for different effects. What effects, you might ask? Well, to answer that, it would help if you knew what came before GPTs and what they were trying to do. One such machine learning model was the BERT, which coincidentally had several fun versions such as Albert, Dilbert, Distilbert, etc. The goal with this model, and with all language machine learning models, is to input some text, then it outputs something useful. And this model really sucked compared to current standards. However, at the time it was all the rage. There was also LSTM, which stood for long short-term memory. That also kind of worked, but not really. Essentially all these models were showing sparks of intelligence, but not fire. Then there was a little fire. What are they called? A Kindle, yes. It was a paper called Attention is All You Need. Cheeky, I know. This paper said, the reason your models are not working is because your architectures are paying attention to the words uniformly, and your model is confused about which words are important. So the solution is an extra dimension that pays attention to what words are most important in a sentence. That basically solved large language models. Couple more small breakthroughs and here we are, ChatGPT.